you deploying the additional troops to the region for deterrence or to optimize your operational capability?
But we have a lot of troops. We have unlimited ammunition. We have the greatest equipment in the world. And we are decimating Iran. It's about time.
The order didn't come with a warning. It came with silence. Within minutes, 20,000 troops across the United States were activated. No press conference, no delay, just one message: prepare for immediate deployment. Barracks lights snapped on in the dead of night. Soldiers rushed out, half awake but fully trained. Boots hitting concrete, metal lockers slamming open, rucksacks filled in seconds, ammo, medical kits, rations. No one asked questions because everyone already knew this wasn't an exercise. Across multiple bases, transport trucks rolled in, engines rumbling, headlights cutting through the darkness. Troops climbed aboard in silence, faces calm, but eyes locked forward, because the destination wasn't just another mission, it was the Middle East. In this time, everything felt different. On a separate airfield, the atmosphere shifted from urgency to precision. A massive B-52 bomber stood ready, cold, silent, waiting. Then the loading began. One by one, 2,000-pound bombs were lifted into place, each one capable of leveling entire structures. Each one a message. Ground crews moved with surgical focus. No wasted motion, no mistakes allowed. Because once this aircraft took off, there was no turning back. Inside the cockpit, the crew prepared for a mission that could last over 12 hours. Oxygen systems checked, navigation systems aligned, target packages reviewed. No one spoke about the target, but everyone understood the weight of it. Then, engine 1 ignited, then 2, then all 8. The roar was deafening. The runway trembled, and within seconds, the B-52 was airborne, heading straight into contested airspace. At the same time, another operation was already in motion. C-17 transport aircraft lined the runway, their ramps open like jaws. Inside, rows of paratroopers stood ready, hooked in, locked in. The signal came, green light. One by one, they stepped into the void. Hundreds of soldiers falling through the night sky, parachutes deploying in perfect sequence, a silent invasion from above. They would be on the ground before anyone even knew they were there. Out at sea, helicopters roared to life. Massive CH-53 Super Stallions lifted Marines off carrier decks, blades slicing through air, salt spray whipping across the surface. Black Hawk helicopters followed, wave after wave. Troops moving deeper, closer, toward the border. This wasn't just deployment, this was positioning. Within hours, everything was in place. Troops on the ground, aircraft in the sky, support units moving in behind them. Then came the final step. Defensive lines were drawn, weapons loaded, communications locked. A full combat force now waiting, not for orders, but for the moment everything changes. Because once that first shot is fired, there's no pause, no reset, no going back. This isn't just a buildup. This is the edge of something much bigger. And right now, the world is watching and waiting to see who makes the first move.